Hey guys, it's Anarchy, and today I'm going to show you how I did this look. It's insane, I know. This is actually my entry for the NYX FACEAwards 2019 competition. I decided to redo a look I've done before. This one in particular, I just decided to do it with my new makeup skills that I've honed in the past few months. Yeah, that look's not that old. I just have been doing makeup a lot more and I've gotten way better. There's still like some things I'm learning, but if you want to learn how to get this flower blooming out of my head kind of look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I already prepped my face. I already put down foundation, concealer, and a little bit of setting powder. So I'm a full pancake right now. Got a great blank canvas ready to create on. Also, I got a new background. Look at it, it's like an oil painting. I like the oil painting aesthetic. But it low-key kind of looks like the background you take your pictures on when you're graduating, like a yearbook photo. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this NYX Vivid Brights paint pot in Love Overdose. This is one of those looks where I need to have colored brows. It will look better, trust me. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a terracotta brown shade and kind of pat it on to the brows to make them a little less hot pink. Okay, so after some trial and error, I've definitely gotten the brows to be the color I want them to be, but they are now way overdrawn, so I'm going to go in with some concealer. So now that I have cleaned up my brows, I'm going to go ahead and take some eyeshadow primer and apply it all over my lid. Okay, my eyes are primed, and one last step before we get into eyeshadow. I know this is taking a long time, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder in light medium under my eyes to bake and also to protect the rest of my face from any potential fallout. This is a look. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ultimate Edit Brights palette. First I'm gonna go into this orange peachy shade, and I'm just going to use that kind of as a transition color. So with this shade, I'm really going to diffuse it up towards the brow bone and really just make it very light and airy, because this is very much just a transition shade. This is not going to be the main color at all. It matches the hair and the vibe rather nicely, so we're going to use it to kind of make the transition from the pink that I'm going to use later a lot easier. I'm also going to go back into the same palette and the mustard kind of yellowy gold color there. This one. I'm going to use that. I'm going to push it in the inner corner a little bit. This wasn't actually part of the original plan, but I think it'll look really nice. And I'm using that same brush, so the colors are really blending together beautifully. I'm going to take the pink shade from the same palette, and with this brush, I'm going to just define the crease a little more. Now I'm going to take that same brush from before and put some more of the pink shade on and just really blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take a deep brown and apply it right above my natural crease, because I'm going to cut my crease in a second and I want it to be really defined. And so first I'm going to just take it and stamp the color in there. And now I'm going to take some more of that same pink shade and use it to blend out this brown color. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take some more of that concealer and just cut my crease. Okay, so now it's time to apply color to my lid. I'm going to take that same brown that I cut my crease with, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corners of my eye. Okay, so next I'm going to take a light pink peachy shade and apply it to the middle / all the way up to here on my lid. Okay, so that's done. I also added some more of the brown up into my crease and then blended it in with some more of the pink from the Ultimate Edit palette. So now I'm going to take a reflective, it kind of reflects from pink to gold pigment, and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to go ahead and brush away all of this extra bake. Okay, so I'm going to take the dark brown and apply it underneath my eye and then blend it out with the pink so that it connects to this. Okay, so that's pretty much most of the eyes done except for lashes and mascara and things of that nature. I'm going to wait to do that. Right now, I'm going to actually contour. So the interesting thing about this contour is it's going to be pink. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with a mixture of the two colors that I've been using, that I use for my eyes, this pink and this peach color, and I'm going to use them to contour my face. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm just gonna contour like normal. I'm just gonna use a mixture of the two. So right now I have the pink, for example, and I'm gonna contour my nose. What's cool is I can continue up into the brow because it's like the same color. I like that. That's one side of my nose contoured. And I'm just gonna continue like that throughout my whole face. Contouring is normal, just with pink. I'm also applying it on the outside of my lips and at little places where I want it to be more defined per se, and I'm gonna describe it. I just want it to look like the pink is a natural thing that's happening as opposed to makeup that I applied. Now I'm going to take this NYX California Beam and Bronzer in Beach Bum, and I'm going to use it to bring the whole look together. Okay, and last I'm going to take my NYX blush in Tuscan, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Don't be afraid to go heavy with the blush for this look. In fact, I might add more later, but I don't want to go too overboard yet. I'm actually blending it over my nose. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this off and style my hair a little bit more before I get into the final touches. Alright, so now I want to go into this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette. I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to use it to highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to do something that was not in the original look, but I've been doing it recently and I think would look really nice in this look, is I'm going to take some pink glitter liner and I'm going to draw a very thin line under my brows. If you are familiar with my channel and you see my past videos, then you've seen me do this before. I've been doing this in a few of my recent looks to add a bit, just an extra something. It just adds a cute little something to the look. Okay, so now I'm going to take my NYX White Liquid Liner. This is a favorite of mine. I'm going to do a few things with this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself fake freckles with this white liner. So I'm just going to add little dots all over my nose bridge area. And if you mess up, you can just kind of diffuse it out and go back over it. And then as I get further out of my cheeks, I'm going to lessen the amount of freckles I'm doing. Because I want it to still look kind of natural, but I want it to be focused on the nose bridge. Okay, so we've got some white freckles. I'm actually also going to take a baby pink liner and I'm going to do the exact same thing, just to add a bit of variety. So now that that part's done, I'm going to go back into my NYX white liner and I'm going to paint my lashes like I was using mascara. This is the hardest, most annoying part of this whole thing. But yeah, I'm just going to take this white liner and pretend it's almost like I was using mascara. Okay, so that's the lashes, and when I originally did the look, this was kind of where the eye stopped, but I'm going to add two little touches that will bring everything together a lot better. So I'm gonna take this NYX retractable white eyeliner and I'm just gonna line my waterline. So that makes the eye appear bigger and it's blending in where I put the white eyeliner on my lower lashes. Finally, I have this pair of lashes that I painted white with NYX's white eyeliner. Mostly because I did not have time to go out and get spray paint or go out and get white lashes, which do exist. But I just took a pair of one of my favorite lashes and painted them white, and so I'm just going to apply them. Okay, now that that's on, I'm going to take that white liner again, and I'm just going to use it to blend those together. Just make my lashes a little whiter so that you can see, or so that you can't see the falsies as much. You totally can, but like, I'm just gonna pretend you can't because I have really long lashes and they are not going away anytime soon. Okay, so that's pretty much exactly what I wanted. Now I'm gonna go do all of this on the other eye. Okay, lashes are on, eyes are really done. And the last step is my lips and adding all of the flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this NYX lip pencil and currant and line my lips. And then I'm gonna take this NYX Filler Instinct Plumping Gloss in Major Mouthage, and I'm just gonna dab it on my lips, kind of like this, and then blend it out with my finger. So I don't want too much gloss. Okay, so that's pretty much perfect. Now it's time to add the flowers. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!